Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you Paithani border silk saree collection with perfect contrast blouse. So please watch the video till end. Friends, these kind of Paithani border silk sarees are so soft, lightweighted and more flexible to wear. If you wear this kind of saree, it gives you lovely and beautiful look. Friends, this kind of Paithani silk saree collection perfect suitable for all age group women, especially elder age group women and middle aged women. Friends, this kind of Paithani silk saree collection comes with different variety of colors like blue, yellow, pink, red, grey, cream, maroon, black, lavender, and others. Friends, this kind of Paithani silk saree collection comes with rich saree and contrast pallu. Friends, this kind of Paithani silk saree collection are available in both online portal and your nearest market. Friends, if you want buy this Paithani saree collection in online portal, please check the link given in the description box. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.